This is the ultimate gemstone gamble. An old lapidary factory is closing its doors forever. The owners are retiring, and I just negotiated a deal to buy exactly 50% of their remaining stock, and I think it will be roughly 130 to 140 spheres. Why did I commit to this? Because some months ago, I actually bought the entire yard of rough stone from this very place. You can go and watch one of my previous videos. The link is up here. All 14 tons of it. Look at the patterns in this. But here's my secret weapon. I didn't just get half of the stock. I got to handpick the best 50% that is left over. I'm hunting for the most colorful, the weirdest, and the absolute rarest pieces left on these tables. These are all South African stones, and many of them you will not find anywhere else in spheres. These spheres were formed from that exact unique material. Every single one I choose is a piece of African geological history that can never be replicated now that the machines are turning off for good. Now comes the real challenge. I have to wrap each and every single one of these heavy beauties securely in bubble plastic or in paper, load them into my truck, and transport them back to my shop. The problem? My shop is already completely full. I have absolutely limited space, and finding a home for these massive new arrivals is going to be a total logistical nightmare. Is this a gamble or not? Was it worth the chaos? Yeah, I think so. Absolutely. We are finally back at the shop, and it's time to unpack. The first major task is to evaluate exactly which ones are going to hit the shelves first. So I take my first sphere down to the shop. Holding these in person now, my immediate thought is just how much these spheres are going to elevate the shop to a completely different level. Gilbert, my right-hand man, jumped in to help me figure out the flow when we decide to create some groupings by color. This stunning unakite that goes right onto the top shelf. Is all this heavy lifting and rearranging worth it? I guess only time will tell. By doing a final walkthrough and seeing the first 50% perfectly in place, this feels pretty amazing. Let me know in the comments which sphere pattern is your favorite. So guys, after a lot of shuffling around, we managed to get in about 3/4 to 80% of the spheres into the shop. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.